At SAE, students get hands-on practical experience, whether that's being in the studio, going out and doing live events. That's the way our students learn best.
I think events like BIGSOUND are really important to the industry because our students are there on the ground level helping out, showing that there's authentic pathways through what we teach here into the industry.
They create real-world experiences, learning opportunities, and a sense of community and identity.
What excites me the most about the industry at the moment is that collaboration, that refocusing. We've spent so much time away from each other. We're seeing far more live music, we're seeing far more integration of people in a room creating together, and that's what we do in our classrooms at SAE.
At the end of the day, the things that are consistent are creativity, connection, storytelling, and those things are going nowhere.